guys, today I'm gonna be starting by doing gun stuff. We're gonna be checking out my guns. Now, first one, we are gonna be starting off with this gun. And here's how you load it. It's pretty quick how you load it. And I like this gun because it shoots fast with a bullet. And I play with this gun a lot because I like it. And that's done for this one, but you can look around with it a little. And now it's done for the next one. So I like this gun pretty much because you can take the thing off and then just go like this. And here's how you load it. It's pretty hard. You gotta pull it back like this and then shoot. And you can take a look around for it. I like that sticker there. And I like how you load it and stuff. I like how it's a big gun lower. And I like how it can take off. Next gun is this one, the machine gun. I like it, but the aim is broken. When I got it, it was right. But you can hear this noise. And there's no load. There's just be 10 load here. So you just go like this. And it makes a loud noise. I think this one is for summertime, but take a look. Lots of people think this is a summertime one. And I think that too. And that one's done. Oh! And for the big one, oh, I like this one. Here's how you load it. And it says that you can take these off, but I don't know how to. And that was pretty cool. And there's a bullet stuck in it. Lots of my guns are broken now, but these the only guns I have. But I have one more gun. And this one is the rocket gun, I think. I think it's a machine gun again. And I have one more gun. The Star Wars gun. My Uncle Steve bought this for me. It's pretty cool. It used to make a machine gun sound. And I like the movie of it. And take a look around it. And these batteries, you gotta buy batteries. They're little A batteries. And that was done. Bye, guys.